Time is now 5:33. Biomarker testing is being called a game changer when it comes to treating cancer. It's a critical part of precision medicine that allows doctors to tailor their treatments to a patient's unique characteristics. Anchor Trisha Keene introduces us to a Valley mother who says it's been life-changing and life-saving.
44-year-old Jennifer Johnson, a mother of 4, is living with lung cancer for 3 years now. She survived cancer as a child. After months of not feeling great in 2022, she knew something wasn't right after going to urgent care with upper respiratory issues. She pushed for more screening.
He came back to give me the results and he said, I never thought that this is what I was going to have to tell you, but you have a mass in your right lung that's suspicious for cancer and you need to get follow-up treatment set up right away. So,
oh my gosh.
That's how I found out.
Jennifer had part of her lower and middle lobe of her right lung removed in Utah, which she believes helped save her life.
I feel good, but compromised in
some ways.
In some ways.
But it saved your life?
It did. It saved my life.
Jennifer and her family have since moved from Utah to Southern Nevada. She's now a patient of Dr. Rupesh Parikh, president of Comprehensive Cancer Centers. I sat down with Dr. Parikh to talk about the importance of the biomarker blood test that Jennifer had and early detection. He says precision medicine is a game changer in the fight against cancer when it comes to targeted treatment options.
But we also test the cancer itself. And what it does is it allows us to find mutations or targets, variants on the cancer cells that we may have a drug that's already out there, developed, approved, or in clinical trial that we can target that specific mutation.
For the past 20 years, Dr. Parikh has been on the front line of the cancer battle in Nevada. He says this targeted way of treating cancer has less side effects and better response rates.
We're beating the statistics, the old statistics of I have stage 4 cancer or stage 3 cancer. You have 2 years to live, 4 years to live, 1 year to live. We're beating all those because these targets are so effective in maintaining people in terms of response rates and much less side effects.
And it makes your job, I mean, honestly, that much more enjoyable that you're not losing people and you actually can save people with precision medicine, like you call it.
And that's exactly true, right? And I've had some of these people on these drugs for now 10 years.
The news is certainly encouraging, but a cancer diagnosis can feel isolating and scary. Patients like Jennifer and her daughter volunteer for the American Cancer Society Action Network, where they offer support to others.
So we want to make sure that patients have a voice. We want to make sure that they feel like they're heard. We're fighting in Carson City, we're fighting nationwide for them to have the treatments they need and increase those survival rates so that they're not just surviving, they're thriving.
Thriving like Jennifer, who's beating the odds living with lung cancer. The advancements, precision medicine, like the biomarker blood test and targeted drugs, has given Jennifer the gift of life.
That was Trisha Keene reporting. Dr. Parikh says today fewer people are dying from cancer, and the biomarker testing should be the standard of care. With the passage of Assembly Bill 155, insurance companies have to pay for that test now. And tune in tonight for ABC's Stand Up to Cancer special, featuring some of the biggest stars as they come together for a fundraising night with music, inspiration, and hope, all with one goal: beating cancer. The Stand Up to Cancer special airs at 8 o'clock right here on Channel 13.